Today, we're making tiramisu. However, this is not your average tiramisu. This is a cake rusk chai tiramisu. Cake rusk is something that we have with our chai in South Asia. Now, a traditional tiramisu, as you know, is made with ladyfingers, and that's dipped into espresso coffee. So I had this idea, well, why don't I take the cake rusk that we have with chai, dip the whole thing in chai, and use the similar process to make our version of tiramisu. This is so easy to make. It only takes 5 ingredients, and this is the perfect dish or the perfect dessert for your late night parties on the weekends. So let's begin. First, we're gonna take 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. We're gonna take our hand mixer and we're gonna start blending this up. Now here's the thing. We're also gonna take 1/4 cup sugar, but we're not gonna add it all at once. We're gonna slowly add it in as we're mixing it. Now once it gets thick like this, similar to like a milkshake consistency, then we're going to add in mascarpone. Mascarpone is an Italian cream cheese, different from the traditional American cream cheese because this one is a little bit lighter and softer. We're gonna add that in and blend it in until stiff peaks. It has to get really, really thick. Now once you're done mixing and it's really thick where stiffness has peaked, then you can taste and adjust for sugar. You might need to add in a little bit more sugar depending on your palate. Next, we're gonna take our cake rusk and we're gonna dip it in our chai. Now, I don't really go over how to make chai in this video because everyone has their own way of making chai and there's no right and wrong answer to this. So however you make chai, make it that way, make about 16 ounces of it and then let it cool down. And you want to dip your cake rusk into that chai about 3 seconds each side, not longer than that at all, because you don't want it to get too soggy and it'll break down. Trust me, when you dip it in for about 2 to 3 seconds each side, it won't seem like it's really soggy and you might think that it didn't get enough of that chai in there, but trust me, it's gonna soften over time. Get our glass container. That first layer is gonna be that cake rusk that we just dipped in. The second layer is gonna be that cream. The third layer is gonna be more of that cake rusk that we dipped into the chai. And then we have another layer of the cream. Now in traditional tiramisu, you top it off with cacao powder. However, in our case, we're gonna take our cake rusk. This is not the one that's dipped into the chai. We're just taking the cake rusk as it is, and we're gonna crush it up in a Ziploc bag, and we're gonna get these cake rusk crumbles. And we're gonna top that onto the cream. Next, we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it into the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. As you can see, this is really, really easy to make. Only 5 ingredients, and it probably takes you about less than 30 minutes to make this. Your guests are gonna love this dessert. They won't even believe you made this all by yourself by hand. Now for the taste test. You get that classic cake rusk taste. On top of that, you get that chai flavor as well. And that cream that we made is just absolutely phenomenal. It just brings everything together. This is so good. You're gonna love this. Until next time, I'll see you later.